Hello everybody, Marko here from Make It by Marko. Just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to install some of our brush buddies onto blending brushes. We have several different company here blender brushes that I use. Here's a picket fence one and a stamp market, as well as a Trinity Stamps one. They all have a similar neck profile to where we clip the brush buddy onto there and then we rotate it and pop it on all the way. Yeah, I understand they can be a little tricky, but once they're on there, they're really secure, and I really enjoy using these. It helps me keep my brushes identified to where I'm not having to worry about which color am I working with, and helps me make sure everything stays a little more organized here in my craft space. So if you can see on, let me get that in focus, there is a slight angle that you will put the neck of the brush into the groove on, and then we are going to pop it into there and rotate it on. So let me start with this green one and make sure I'm staying in focus. This is my first video, so please have a little patience with me. That one kind of went on there really well, and then we're going to slow and rotate it. Let's see, let's get another one. Here's a picket fence one. And we're going to take this red one and we are going to snap it down, and then it should be staying attached. Now it does, that one, it's not rotated yet, but I wanted to kind of let you see what that looked like. And then we are going to twist it to where the opening is the front of the brush, to where you can see the full color swatch on the back. So since those two are done, I'm just going to kind of get those out of my space to where I can show you how to do a few more here. Now these have been used a few times, so they're not as tight. When they're brand new, they're tight, and that helps them really truly stay on those brushes a lot better. And here's a yellow one on a on a smaller one. So you're going to kind of get it at an angle, and then you're just going to push it down, and then we're going to rotate it on. Oops, nice dog hair there. And then you can slide it. It slides a lot better when it's here in this 90-degree position to where you want it, and then you can rotate it on. And here is a Trinity Stamps brush. Very similar process. It's the process on all of them. You're going to take it and you're going to snap it down and then rotate it to where it twists, and it has a nice pop whenever it locks in place. Let's see, here's another picket fence one. So they even work on these really small detail brushes. They are slightly looser, but that's all right. I mean, we're not really blending super hard with these normally. Here's I've got two more Trinity Stamps ones. So similar process. I'm going to take it at an angle, and I'm going to just push it down. And then I'm going to rotate it back over. And then here's another one. Now these have been used before, so they're, like I said, they're not as tight as brand new ones, but the concept is the same. Make sure you hang on to them, because man, they shoot off pretty quick. Just because they're not a lot of real estate that I want to take up and make a, I want you to be able to still have that full length of your handle there and not have it get too much into your way. So just wanted to give you a quick heads up. I hope you have been enjoying them. I know that we like coming up with some cool new products for you guys, and let us know what you think.